We are going to see the content in this video. The content in this video is Nifty calculation in USD, Nifty calculation in USD, assumption only loss or gain, Nifty 50 in part 1. In next part, we see overview, gross NPA, net interest margin, RBI sells USD. In first part, we see about Nifty calculation in USD. We compare the value of Nifty with USD every year. We also compare how much INR was in USD and how much INR is applicable to Nifty. Nifty cannot be bought directly in our country in our share market or by using a broker. This option can only be called option trading in Nifty as long, short. Similarly, it can only be bought in futures. It cannot be bought for long term, or you can buy it as an ETF. If you want to buy Nifty, you can buy it as an ETF or you can buy it as a mutual fund. I would like to point out that this is only for calculation and not for buying or selling. I am not semi-registered advisor nor mutual fund advisor. This video is based on my personal knowledge. In this, I am not saying to buy any share and I am not saying to sell any share. Buying and selling a share is your personal choice. Consult your personal SEBI registered advisor. 112.14 at that time. 1 USD came to 63.03. If you write INR in USD, 0.015 USD equal to 1 INR. Then we convert it to Nifty USD. Then 8,282.70, 0.015 USD equal to 1 INR. 0.015 USD multiply with 8,282.70. What is equal to 8,282.70 INR? So if 8,282.70 INR, then the USD value in it is 124.240. In this calculation, let's see what USD was equal to INR on the first day of the 12th month of 2016. 1 USD is equal to 67.945 INR. At that time, Nifty was at 8,185. 1 INR is equal to 0.014 USD. Now we convert INR to USD. 8,185.80 multiply with 0.014 USD equal to 8,185.80 INR. 114.6012 USD equal to 8,185.80 INR. That means when the Nifty is 8,185.80, it is 114 USD dollars. Now we have 1 USD on the first day of the 12th month of 2021. 1 USD is equal to 74.467 INR. At that time, Nifty was 17,354.05. Now we INR USD convert 0.0134 USD equal to 1 INR. 17,354.05 multiply with 0.0134 USD equal to 17,354.05 INR, 232.5436 USD equal to 17,354.05 INR. That is, if the Nifty is 17,354.05 INR, then it is enough to apply 232.543 in USD. Now, on the first day of the third month of 2025, 1 USD is equal to 85.462 INR. Nifty is at 23,519.3 INR. That is, 1 INR is equal to 0.011 USD. INR is 23,519.3 INR equal to 0.0134 USD. 275.176 USD equals 23,519.35 INR, which means that when Nifty is 23,519.35 INR, it can be bought for 275.176 USD dollars. In this video, how the USD depreciates against the INR USD every year is outlined in green. Finally, my imagination, i.e., what would happen if a USD was 63.03 INR is coded. Now, when a USD was 63.03 INR, the Nifty was 8,282.70 INR. So that means the USD equivalent to the Nifty is 124.240. When the same USD was 67.945 INR, the Nifty was 8,185.80 INR, then the equivalent USD would be 114.6012. In this way, we consider that 2021 1 USD was 74.467 INR, while the Nifty was 17,354.05 INR. The equivalent USD was 232.543. In the same way, we consider that 2025 1 USD was 85.42462 INR. The Nifty was 23,519.35, while the equivalent USD was 275.176. Now, from 7.46 in the same year, 2021, the rupee has depreciated to 85.462 in the same year. The same appreciation, that is, if the INR had increased in value against the USD, i.e., 1 USD was equal to 63.03 INR, then Nifty would have been 23,519.35 INR, while USD would have been 352.785 USD. So the rupee would have depreciated. Its value would have been reduced to a certain degree. It seems that the profit of the fee would have been affected. In this picture, we are going to see how the profit is affected in percentage terms. Now we are comparing 2014 and 2016. In that, we have got a minus 7.7746 percentage. That is, if we had invested $124 in 2014 in Nifty, it would have decreased to $114.6012 in 2016. That is, the profit would have decreased by 7.774. Next, we are comparing 2021 and 2025. In this, if we had invested $232 in 2021, we would have got 275.176 USD in 2025. That is, we will get 18% profit. In my imagination, if the USD had gone from 74 to 63 instead of 85, that is, if the value of the INR had increased against the USD, we would have got $352.785. Then FEI would have got 51.17% profit. Now, since the depreciation has come from 74 to 85, the rupee has depreciated from 74 to 85. FEE has lost 32.84%. It is clear that they have lost in profit. Let's see what happens then. If you sell 23,519, there will be a charge for it. The exchange transaction fee is 23.519, while the SEBI turnover fee is 0.023 brokerage and GST. When you add the percentage, if you subtract all the charges, you get 23,294.799. 23,294.799 is the value of fee get after minus all the charges. What we are looking at here is, we are looking at what is happening in the year 2025 and 2021. 2025 is 1 USD equal 85.462 INR. Nifty is 23,519. When all charges are deducted, the money that comes to the FII account is 23,294.799. We convert that to USD and then FEII get 272.539 USD. Now we compare the USD obtained in 2025 with the USD obtained in 2021. In that 2025, 272.539 USD has been received. 2021, 232.54 USD fee has been received. Now decide for yourself whether fee is in loss or gain. Remember only one thing: no one can take Nifty for long term. Future option can do this only. This is only an assumption calculation. Apply this calculation to other stocks and calculate it and find out.
This is my personal opinion. Buying and selling shares is your personal choice. Decide for yourself what your activity is.